Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, Python 3, X and Visual Studio Code installed. Open VS Code and go straight to extensions. Install the Microsoft Python extension so VS Code understands interpreters and linting. Once done, open a folder or workspace. VS Code indexes files and activates language features. Make sure you have pip available so you can add packages later. Now that the extension is present, the bottom status bar will display a Python interpreter selector. That's your next actionable control to configure. You now select the Python interpreter so code runs predictably. Click the interpreter in the status bar or press Ctrl plus Shift plus P and choose Python. Select Interpreter. If you prefer isolation, create a virtual environment with Python mvenv. Venv and activate it, then reopen the folder so VS Code detects the venv. Install essentials like Pylint and Black to enable linting and formatting. Once the interpreter is chosen and tools installed, reopen or reload the window to ensure extensions bind to the active environment. You finish by running and debugging. Use Run Python file in the editor or Run Python main. Py in the integrated terminal. To step through code, create a launch. JSON using the Run view and add configurations for script, module, or Django. Make sure formatting and linting settings in Settings. JSON point to the selected interpreter. If the interpreter is not available, verify path or manually select the venv in the interpreter picker. That one troubleshooting step resolves most activation issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.